Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my updated everyday makeup tutorial. So I tend to do this once a year because my everyday makeup does change slightly. Now this is the type of makeup that I wear every day. Back and forth to work, back and forth to the shops, just literally like on an everyday basis. There's nothing glam about it. I'm not doing any eyeshadow today because I don't wear it on an everyday basis. It's very natural, it's very wearable, and it's all drugstore products as well. So it's really affordable and it's going to be really quick and easy. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so to start with, I always put some kind of serum or moisturizer on my face. So this is the L'Oreal Revitalift Hydrating Smoothing Serum. And I'm going to blend that in with my e.l.f. small stipple brush. Then I always put a primer on as well. I tend to do more of a mattifying primer, not too matte. Like I really like this primer because a lot of matte primers are quite thick and dry, but this is quite a hydrating matte primer, if that makes sense. So this is the Max Factor Miracle Prep Pore Minimizing and Mattifying Primer. It is so good. It's like liquidy rather than thick as well, so that helps with the hydration, but it also mattifies your face and helps to make your makeup last all day as well. So I'm using the same brush. Then for foundation, I've really been enjoying this one lately. This is the Max Factor Lasting Performance Touch Proof Foundation in the shade 100 Fair. And I'm going to use my Clomana Marshmallow Shape 1 sponge to blend it in. Now, as you can see, that's a nice like medium coverage. It's not too light and it's not too full, which is perfect for an everyday foundation for me. It's also not too matte and not too dewy. It's quite a satin finish, which is really, really nice. Now I'm going to go in with some cream contour. So this is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand Contour in the shade Fair to Light. And then I'm going to blend that in with this Morphe M436 brush. Now for concealer, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I'm going to blend that out with the Real Techniques contour brush. Now for powder, I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. And I'm going to use my Morphe G35 brush to set my eye area first. Then I'm using my Morphe E2 brush to set the rest of my face. Now for bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Light Bronzer, using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Powder Brush. Then for blush, I'm using the Colourpop Pressed Powder Blush in the shade Flirt Alert, using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe French Boutique Blush Brush. And on an everyday basis, I don't use any highlighter, so now I'm going to zoom you in to do the eyes. So like I said, No eyeshadow on an everyday basis, but I do go in with an eyebrow gel. So this is the Essence Fix It Like a Boss Transparent Brow Fixing Gel. I love this so much. It's like one of my favourite brow gels. Then I'm quickly just going to set my face using the e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. Then for eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Epic Wear eyeliner stick in the shade Deepest Brown. And then my everyday mascara has been this one. This is the Maybelline The Falsies Surreal Mascara in the shade Very Black, using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers to curl my lashes first. And then finally for lips, I keep it really simple and I've just got a clear gloss. This is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Ice. Okay, so that completes this video. This was my updated Everyday Makeup 2024. It was quite simple, quick, easy, and all drugstore products too. So I hope that you found it helpful and I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!